You don't need more confidence to grow. You don't need motivation. You don't need hype. You need systems because systems create results and results create confidence. In this video, I'll show you simple, quiet systems that make you consistent, clear, and unstoppable even if you don't feel confident yet. Most people fail because they are unclear, unclear goals, unclear priorities. Unclear actions. Clarity is a system, not a feeling. It means waking up knowing exactly what to do. Why it matters and how you'll execute it quietly and calmly. Quiet high performers reduce decision fatigue. They decide once, then automate. Close, routines, workflows, priorities. When you remove noise from decisions, you free your mind for deep work and better thinking. A quiet morning output system means you begin each day with creation, not consumption. One task completed early builds momentum. Calmness and confidence. It's not loud. It's powerful. Deep work isn't about intensity. It's about removing interruption. For 30 to 60 minutes, no notifications, no switching, no multitasking. Quiet, focused work compounds faster than hours of distracted effort. High performers reflect, not emotionally, strategically. What worked this week? What didn't? What should be repeated? A 10-minute weekly review turns experience into progress and keeps your direction clear. Your surroundings either support your success or fight it. A calm, minimal workspace. A clean digital environment. low clutter, low noise. These small details silently make you more consistent every day. You don't need more hours. You need more energy during the hours you already have. Sleep, movement. Pauses, boundaries. Energy systems give you sustainable output without burnout. Distraction is not a personality flaw, it's a system flaw. Notifications, apps. Tabs, interruptions. Quiet people become unstoppable when they design systems that reduce digital friction and protect their attention. Confidence doesn't appear magically. It comes from evidence. When you repeat small tasks consistently, quietly, your brain collects proof. Proof becomes confidence. Confidence becomes calm execution. Quiet consistency is your competitive advantage. You don't need big leaps. You need small, repeatable actions daily. This system builds results slowly and silently. Until one day, they are undeniable. Systems lead to results, results lead to confidence. And confidence leads to consistent, quiet growth. If you're building a calm, consistent, quietly powerful life, subscribe for more videos like this.